Hey y'all, every spring you get so excited because all of your plants start coming back and you have all the hopes and dreams for your garden for that year. And then there's always a few plants that you're just not too sure about. I'm going to talk today about your late to emerge plants so that you do not throw them out. Just be patient and wait. They will come back. We're looking here at a Summerific Hibiscus. It's a perennial hibiscus, and it is usually the last one to come back every year. But for my garden this year, it was not the last one to come back, but it was close. So let me show you a couple of other ones that were late to emerge. Surprisingly enough, these two little guys back here with flags are string Theory Amsonia. They are our spring bloomers, so that's why it's so shocking that they didn't come up any sooner than they did. But they literally just emerged last week, and now I already have blooms on them, so I'm not sure what's going on. I stuck the little flags there so I could continue to check on them to make sure that they were going to come back, and they did. They are just the second year in the ground, or I guess first full calendar year in the ground, so maybe that has something to do with it. And the last to emerge this year was this Sky Dew Gold ornamental blueberry bush. Now it does have a beautiful fall color that lasts, probably one of the last things to retain its leaf, so maybe that has something to do with it. We've had this in the ground this is its second full year. I have high hopes that this year this plant's going to do its thing with the chartreuse foliage, but again, I'm a little surprised how late it is to leaf back out, with blueberries typically being a spring bloomer. I have one other one in. Alright, so this is my other Stardew Gold blueberry bush. As you can see, there's one little grouping of leaves there at the very tip top. So they look the same, even though they actually have different sun and light conditions. I hope to show y'all later in the season and do a spotlight on this plant, but I'm hoping it'll look a little bit better before we talk about it more in depth. So think twice before you throw in the towel and your plants. They may just take a little bit for them to emerge from the ground. I hope y'all liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe and check out some of the other videos on my channel. Y'all have a great day.